Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know it's been a while since I've posted. And I know I was trying to do daily vlogging, maybe 3 times a week or here and there, but I've been extremely busy. I recently got married and I moved into my apartment with my wife. But I have been copping stuff. As you can see, I have most of the collection from the Ikea drop. That was back in November, I believe. That was a while back, that was last month. I have some clothing pickups. And today, the gem of the day, you already know what it is. Playoff 11s, Bred 11s, whatever you want to call it. Let's get into it. I want to do an outfit check right now. I have this Washington Nationals jersey. I thrifted it for about $2. H&M shorts, you know, I just got to stick with the H&M gang. And I have cool grays on from 2010. Can I get an RIP in the chat right now? I am starting to see sole separation. I don't know if you can pick that up in the camera, but sole separation is happening on that shoe, and it's beginning on that shoe. So if I get some prayers in the chat, and if anybody knows how to restore shoes, please just email me or DM me. Go on my Instagram and DM me at @BroTatoChip. But yeah, that's my outfit for today. Alright guys, so for the oldest pickup, it's going to be the Ikea stuff. I picked up 2 receipt rugs. Retail was $99. I picked up the hardware set. I think the retail was about $25 around there. I have the sculpture bags. The big one, I have 1 big one, 2 small ones. It's like a leather material. They smell kind of funky. And I think it was 20 for the small one, 20 for the small one, and 25 for the big one as well. So not too bad of a retail. I also have the wet grass rug, so as you can see, it's a nice plush green rug, wet grass in his traditional quotation marks, and it's really soft. The dogs love it, and it's a really nice centerpiece for me to focus in my living room. I've also picked up the off-white clock. It's a really nice clock. It has no numbers, so it's going to be kind of hard for me to tell the time, but as the quotation marks say, time is temporary. I also picked up bed sheets from the Ikea Mark Red Collection with Virgil Abloh. It's just a great bed sheet with a duvet cover and 2 pillowcases. Alright, so the week after I got married, I went to Atlanta, Georgia, and I have some clothing pickups from there. I have this Bape jersey, New York Yankee Bape. It was at a cool little shop out there. I forget the name of the place, but I'll link it down below. And it's just a sick jersey. I thought this was only releasing in New York, but I guess they got some. They had this one and a New York Mets one. Also, while I was in Atlanta, Virgil has an exhibit. It's the Figures of Speech exhibit, and he actually has some merch there. Nice little champion t-shirts. And it was a really cool exhibit. I think it's there for the next couple of months, so if you're out in the Atlanta area, I would definitely recommend it. It's a cool little exhibit. And these shirts were, I think, about $65, so they weren't too high. He also had a lot of like actual off-white shirts, but they were the normal retail, you know, $300-400 t-shirts. He had hoodies, hats, he had tote bags. Alright guys, and the last pickup, most recent pickup, I just picked it up this morning, about 2.5 hours ago. I've been waiting for these to retro. I think the last retro was of these were 2012. Might be wrong. I will correct myself if I am wrong. I love the 11s. One of my favorite silhouettes. And this is just an iconic colorway. This is a year to Breds, basically, you know. Bred 4s came out, you know, infrared 6s, black and red, and Bred 11s. They went with the higher patent leather. It's a really nice shoe. Quality of material is okay. Well, you know, it comes with the classic insert, red insert, just like all the other ones. The box is okay. I guess it's the traditional older 90s box or early 2000s. It's not the Jordan face box, but I like the pull-out box still the best from the cool grays and from 2011 Concords. I'm gonna start trying to get back on the grind. I know I said that last time, but this time I am 100% more committed. I have more freedom. I have my own apartment. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up today's video. You guys saw the clothes, you guys saw the sneakers, you guys saw the household stuff I picked up from the Ikea collection. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will be filming 3 more videos within the next week or 2. They're going to be an apartment tour, they're going to be a sneaker collection video, and a clothing collection video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.